Hello guys, welcome back to day 26 of my Kaftan design challenge, and thank you for watching from day 1 to 26. I really appreciate that. If you need any of my project file or mockup file, the link is in the description box. You can download it and purchase and download it actually from there. So before we continue, don't forget to click on subscribe button and also notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So let's begin. So I'm going to do some stripe pattern. So I want to select G on my keyboard. Yes, G on my keyboard, and I just want to start from. Okay, let me start from here actually. So it's going to be for both sides. So oh my god, Control Z, yes, right click, offset as internal line, and I'm going to see like 50, or should I say 60. 80 is fine. Let me use 80. I'm going to let me see if I can just. Okay, I think I'll go with this. So I'm going to select OK. I'm going to right click and what, cut and sew. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to offset as internal line, yes, and let's reduce this. So we have this and select OK. We have something like this, and I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to offset as internal line. So I'm going to take it up, and this is fine. Select OK. I'm supposed to Control Z, yes. Right click on the line and cut and sew. We're going to do the same thing here. Offset as internal line, yes. Okay. Right click on the line and cut and sew. I forgot to do that here. So I'm going to select these three internal line, right click and what, cut and sew. Yeah, so let's add our button to this. So I'm going to add our button here. So let's do that. So I'm going to click on this and yeah, button, just button. It's fine. So I'm going to place it here. Yeah, so I'm going to this one, I mean. So I'm going to click on this and Control C, Control V. I'm going to right click and select OK. So I'm going to click on the default button. I'm going to click on this drop down here, the shape. Then I'm going to click on this and change this to 15. Yeah, 15. So we have something like this, and I'm going to make sure it is metal. Oh, sorry, metal. So make it shiny. Yeah, so we are good to go with this. And the next time I'm going to do, just use like 2 fabric color. So I'm going to select this. I'll create a copy. So I'm just waiting for it to load. So create a copy. So let me just go to ChatGPT and say suggest 2 fabric color I can use on Kaftan on I want let me see colorful or something that's colorful, not okay. This is a vibrant royal blue and sunset orange. So let's see how this looks like. So this will be the first one. Sorry, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on this. Okay, I think I like this. So Second one, we are going to copy that. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and copy this. So Control C. I'm going to go to my clue. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select this and this. So we have something like this. So I'm going to select all these. Okay, let me start from here so I will make mistakes. So let me select from here. So I'm going to hold on my shift and keep selecting them one by one. So I'm going to check it out here. So we have something like this. So I'm going to do the same thing to here. So we have something like this. Okay, I'm doing the same thing to the arm. So I'm going to select this and this to make sure it's this. If I have this and this to make sure that it is this. You get so okay. So I have this, yes, and let's go with this, 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 and this, and select this. So you have something like this, and it's very simple. So we can leave our color here to this, or you can just change it. I think I'll change the thread color to this silk chiffon. So I'm going to select, copy this, and go to the thread. I'm going to click on the top stitch. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, I'm going to click on this here. I'm going to click on this, paste it, and we'll change the color of our thread. Except you want to change the color of the button too, but I think silver looks nice on this. So we have something as simple as this. So what is left is for you to render. So this is going to be our design for day 26. Very simple, like I always say. So okay. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also notification bell to get more tutorial. So stay tuned for day 27.